supaya industri dapat menyalurkan pakar profesional kami. Okay, so kita ada buat sejenis
of course. But for me, like Dr. Michelle, I've spoken to me before. We want someone who's really hands-on, who have the passion to be in this. Because that's why Dr. Michelle shared with me some of the students they because their parents want
Because you know what, UST industry as a hotel, you do interview a lot of students. You know what you need.
Firstly, we have to give card KCJ pastry dan juga diploma.
So, kebanyakan persilangan Kamera Malaysia kita yang qualified ITIRA
sana sini. So you should come and visit BTSS. You can see all the staircases in BTSS. Okay. For information,
then also we need to have workers to do the job. Right? So what we do with Shangri-La, we have a lot of training, not only in Penang, but in KL, in